Alright, first things first, we gotta make sure that our chrome delete or chrome area is clean and it's rid of any debris or any dust. Then we're gonna match what piece goes where. So we know that this piece is this following piece, as it looks very similar. So go ahead and grab our piece. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna align it on this side. We're gonna make sure that it's gonna cover all of the chrome so it's not showing. We're gonna align it. Okay, looks good. First, I'll place this piece here and I'll start with the top, making sure that as I go, squeegee down with my finger, that it covers all of the chrome parts. Now the bottom piece. For the next step, we're gonna wanna add heat to this side, because if we try tucking it in as is, there's gonna be a lot of wrinkles. So let's go ahead and either use a heat gun or a hair dryer. And we're gonna heat up the edge. And it's essentially just gonna fall onto the chrome. Now let's start with this side. Now for this side, we also got to make sure that it's clean and it's rid of any debris or dust. So let's go ahead and, once it's clean, let's go ahead and get our piece.